Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upgrade subscription plan with Nero Image Upscaler. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you are on our dashboard. You can access it without signing in, but it is always better to sign in for a more personalized experience. If you are new to Nero Image Upscaler, we have plenty of upcoming videos on how to use its powerful tools, so stay tuned. Now, to upgrade your subscription plan, simply click on Special right here. It is worth noting that the 1-year subscription plan costs just $32.95, which is an incredible value for what you get. On this page, you will need to provide some information, including your personal details and billing information. Don't worry, your information is secure with us. Just follow the prompts step by step until you have completed everything. And that's it. You have successfully upgraded your subscription plan for Nero Image Upscaler. Now, why is this so great? Well, having Nero Image Upscaler downloaded on your computer opens up a world of possibilities for photo editing and enhancement. With Nero Image Upscaler at your fingertips, you can enjoy more efficient and powerful photo editing. The possibilities are endless. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day and enjoy your upgraded Nero Image Upscaler experience.